Want to know how small YouTubers are getting viral views in 2026 using free AI tools? In this video, I'll show you how to use vidIQ to find viral video ideas in minutes, even if you have 0 subscribers. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Here we explore the best free AI tools to grow faster and work smarter, and today I'll walk you step by step through vidIQ's AI features to help you create viral YouTube videos. First, open vidIQ and go to the AI Daily Ideas section, then type in your niche, whether it's fitness, AI, gaming, or motivation, and look for topics with high search volume, low competition, and a strong trending score. vidIQ's AI analyzes YouTube data in real time and shows you what topics are exploding right now. Next, use the AI title generator to create high-converting titles. Instead of something basic like AI tools for YouTube, the AI might suggest a stronger option like this free AI tool is secretly growing small YouTube channels fast. Notice how it adds power words, curiosity, and urgency to make people want to click.